The National Hockey League on Sportsnet presents the Stanley Cup Playoffs.
Critical game 4, best of 7. Dallas Stars with a 2-1 series advantage. Turned over to Johnston shorthanded. Here's a shot, quick save, rebound. Oh, another save, a score. Second effort. Wyatt Johnston pounding away shorthanded. And even Georgiev couldn't stop that one. Heiskanen, and they are isolating through the seam. Wyatt Johnson shoots and scores. The 20-year-old has his second of the night. A shorty and a power play goal. Dallas Stars open up a 3-1 series lead. They win 5-1. Dallas trying to close it out at home. Game 5 on Wednesday night.